So I ran an advert on Instagram yesterday. Let us go and see the advert I ran yesterday. So this is the ad, currently boosted, available for delivery in 24 hours. Size 43, patent leather rubber sole, neatly made, price 25,000. So this is the ad that I ran yesterday, and this is everything about it. So how do I check everything about my ad on my phone? So this is just about the reactions that I'm getting on it, but you can't really get the insight results from here. So what you need to do is to go to Play Store. You can still see it from that place, checking how many people it has reached, how many likes you're getting. You can still get it, but for you to understand how much you've spent so far, you go to Play Store and download Ads Manager. So I have my own already, but I just want to update it. So this is Facebook Ads Manager. So we only need to open and see the ads I've been running. These ones have been turned off. These ones have been turned off. All these ones are ads that I've run in the past. So for the current one I'm running now, I'm running one on Instagram and one on Facebook through Facebook Ads Manager that I use on the system. You cannot run ads with Facebook Ads Manager on your mobile, but you can do it on your laptop. So this is the one that I showed you, this Instagram post. So from here we can manage our ads and see what we have. We have 8 link clicks, cost per link click 19 naira, amount spent 152 naira. So this is, I'm just doing one small ad for this purpose of this tutorial. So you can see it has reached 217 account, impression 226, and return on ad spend 00. I've not gotten any messages, any sale or anything. Frequency of how many times people have seen it on the account, the people have targeted 1 times 0.04. Unique links, all 8 unique clicks. So I can view performance by clicking here and see all my performance on the ad. So this is the performance. The demographic is showing here already, and for the women I have nothing because I did not target women. People reached nothing, link clicks nothing, cost per link, but I targeted men. So with men I have 223 link clicks, 8, cost per link click. So I can see everything I've spent here and the location, everything. So this is going to give me like a check onto what is happening already on my ad. So I'm here now. Let me check the ad set again. This is the campaign name, the budget, and the audience. Okay. Lagos State, men ages 25 to 45, the targeting and everything I chose here. Explore stories feed. So that's that about that, and that's how you can check your Instagram posts, ad campaign, or Facebook or anything. So this is the second one I'm running on Facebook. This is it. Buy now message campaign. It's the same shoe, same ad set, same everything. But it's just a little bit different message. So this is it. So I spent 500 and something. The reach is 5,000 plus, impression 7,000 plus. So I can see the frequency, unique clicks 187, view performance. So if this ad is performing well, it is here I will know compared to the other one I was running. So anyone that is running better, so I can conclude that this is doing better, but I can't still conclude that way because I just started running the other ad yesterday. So the purpose of this is because I want to show you how this will be effective for you. The purpose of this is for you to be able to compare. If you are running like 2-3 ad sets or 2 or 3 ads, you'll be able to compare which one is doing well. If I'm getting unique clicks 107 and the other one is 8 unique clicks, I can compare and say I started this at the same time. This one is performing well, the other one is not performing well. Reach 5,000 plus. It's the same amount I'm spending on it, but I started this one earlier. I started this one July 14, and this started yesterday, just yesterday. This one here started yesterday, so I can't compare that way. But if I want to compare, I can compare with when I started and how much I'm spending on it. So I started July 25. This is it here, July 25, and the other one started July 14. So you can't compare that way, but I can still compare if I started the same time and try to see what the expected result and the expected result. So that is how you can. These are the old ones I've done, and I can compare that way. So that's how you can use Facebook Ads Manager. You need to download Facebook Ads Manager for you to be able to understand, for you to be able to manage your ads on your mobile.